Good morning, friends. This is Dr. Janardhan Pawar from TC College Baramati. Friends, as we have started the syllabus of research methodology for business, and we have made 3 videos on research methodology for business. Out of those 3 videos, video number 1 was there for introduction of research methodology for business. Second one that I have made on meaning and definition, meaning of research, and third one that I had made on definitions of research. So till that or now, we people have seen n number of things, and those n number of things are we people have seen meaning and definitions of research in detailed manner. So before going to start the new topic today, that is types of research, just I am going to highlight you the definition of research and the meaning of research in a brief manner. Friends, as we have seen the meaning of research in the first video, then we have seen definitions, right? If I'm not wrong. So see, research is nothing but what? Searching again. So whatever we go for the search and when we go for the research, both things are different. Search means what? Just searching something or finding something. So as far as research is concerned, when we go for research means what? Going again for the same things. It means what? Somebody has done the research, somebody has done the search, and now we are going to find out the same things in a different manner. It is called what? Research. So there are two words that we people have seen yesterday: re and search. Re means what? Again, going again for the same things, called as what? Re. And search means what? We are going to find out something. So we are going to find out again for the same things, called as research. So that was the definition, that was the simple meaning of research we people have seen in video number 2 and video number 3. Now today I have decided to make one more video on another topic of your syllabus, that is types of research. Friends, there are n number of types of research which we are going to see in our syllabus, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, there are different types of research, and that we are going to see in this particular video. So friend, this video will deals with major types of research. As I told you, there are different types of research. Out of those research are not applicable in social sciences. Basically, research is conducted in two different fields. First of all, research is conducted in natural sciences, and another one is what? Social sciences. So our subject, that is commerce, arts, comes under the category of what? Social sciences. So we are going to see the types of researches or types of research which are applicable in social sciences. Social sciences means what? Not other than sciences. Okay, so whatever major types are there for our syllabus, that we are going to see. There are different types, but as far as social sciences are concerned, there are some types of researches which we have noted down. So see, out of those I have taken some major types of research which are there for your syllabus. So look at this. The first one, that is descriptive research. I'm going to read the names first, and I'm going to explain the types of research one by one, and I'm going to have some special slides for this type of research also. So first of all, the first type of research that we always do in social science, that is descriptive research. Another one is analytical research, applied research, basic research, quantitative research, qualitative research, conceptual research, and non-scientific research or non-scientific methods of research. So see, these are the broader concepts of research. One by one I'm going to explain you. First of all, I'm going to explain you the last one, that is non-scientific research or non-scientific methods of research. Look at this. Non-scientific means what? Which are not scientific, which are not based on science. There is no specific science as such. So this is called as what? Research in social sciences, like history, geography, then political science, commerce, human resource management, marketing management, accounts, and etc. So as far as these types of researches, we are going to see everything. So now going to the first point, that is descriptive. Here we are going to describe everything. We are going to write everything in a detailed manner, and this is what it is called about descriptive research. Moving on to the second one, that is analytical research. Analytical means what? It is based on some analysis, and this is what this research is called about analytical research. Third one is applied research. Applied is nothing but what? Whatever is applicable. For example, people have seen applied sciences, applied mathematics, applied engineering. So this is called what? Applied, which is used in day-to-day life, and this is what it is called what? Applied. So this kind of research is called what? Applied research. Basic research, which is real in basic nature, which is it is also called what? Fundamental research. So that is called what? Fundamental means what? Basic level. Whatever we do at basic level is called what? Basic research. Then quantitative research, based on quantitative data or statistical data, is called what? Quantitative research. Another one is what? Qualitative research, based on qualities. If you want to test, if you want to search about the quality of certain things, so it is called what? Qualitative research. And the last one, conceptual research. So here we are going to frame some concepts by using this kind of research, and this is what this kind of research is called what? Conceptual research. Friends, these are the just headings we people have discussed in this video. We are going to discuss these types of research or these types of research in a detailed manner one by one. So here in this video we people have talked about different types of major researches or that we do in our day-to-day life. So friend, just before concluding, just I want to say there are different types of research, but out of those we have sorted down something. We are not going to do each and every type of research. Whatever types of research are applicable to our social science department or whatever types of research which are applicable for our subject which we have taken here, and rest of the types of research which are not applicable for our subject, this is what we have excluded here. Otherwise you may raise some questions, sorry people have not taken this one, but my dear students, I have studied entire research methodology for business. Doesn't matter, I'm not going to exclude any point of your topic. So these are the types which are there for your syllabus, and we are going to discuss these types one by one in upcoming videos. Till then, stay connected, stay online. Thank you.